Wdiv Studios, handyman Dale Cranston shows us a new option that will make your house look good and your life maybe a little bit easier.
In all of our remodeling projects, especially kitchens, bathrooms, and kids' rooms, there's a lot of flooring options. Let's talk about laminate flooring today. It's this new style where it's roughly 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch thick with a special laminated process on top. It's almost like putting Formica on your floor. And even a couple of these here, I believe this one's from Formica or Wilson Art, they really got some neat looks about them. That's the advantage of them. Here, with the knotty pine floor, you can get the knotty pine look without getting all the dents from knotty pine, because knotty pine is so soft, and it's a real popular look right now. And that can go in foyers and throughout the kitchen. Also, something like this has got a real nifty kind of pattern, maybe for a kid's room, and it really can hold up well. It's got a real good, it doesn't dent, and scratching you want to be a little bit careful of. How they put them together is, they're just like tiles in tongue and groove. They put them together and glue them. This ebony here and this nice virgin green is also one of the big advantages. You got a lot of nice patterns. The installation is very crucial though. That's one of the special things about this flooring. Floor's got to be super flat and super nice, but it really comes out to be a beautiful, beautiful product. It's a floor more that you'd use for like a 10-year projection when you were going to keep it around your house. Not so much for 30 or 40 years. But they got some really nice looks when you're looking for that special, special floor. For the News Beat Saturday, get a hold of us with any tips or comments at doityourselfer.com on the World Wide Web. I'm Dale Cranston.
Or you can do it the old-fashioned way. You can write Dale right here at the Wdiv Studios. Your address is